Hello! In this video, I will explain the Staff Member Compact Mode feature and show you how to assign different permissions to staff members. To get started, first log in as a staff member. I have already signed in using a staff member account. This is the staff member dashboard. Here, you can see the appointment list along with all appointment details. At the top, you can see the bell icon. Click on it to view the next upcoming appointment. Here, you can see the complete appointment details. Click the home icon beside the bell icon to open the website front end. At the end, you'll find the Logout button, which allows staff members to securely log out of their account. Now, open the calendar page. Here, staff members can view all appointments. Staff members can also switch between weekly and monthly calendar views. Staff members can also use BookingPress filters. Now, open the Appointments page. This is the Staff Member Manage Appointments page. Here, you can see all appointment records. Admins can also grant staff members permission to add, manage, or export appointments. To configure this, go to the Admin Panel. Go to the BookingPress Settings page. Open the Staff Members tab. Here you can see the multiple settings for the staff member. The first option is Any Staff Member option. Enable this option to let customers automatically book with any available staff member. Select the required option as per the pre-described available options. The next option is Allow Staff Member to access WordPress Admin Panel. This option allows staff members to access the WordPress dashboard. The next section is related to appointment permissions. BookingPress provides separate permissions for each action. BookingPress allows you to manage appointment actions efficiently by enabling options like Manage, Delete, and Export appointments. Simply enable the required permissions and save the changes successfully. Now, go to the Staff Member panel and reload the Appointments page. You can now see that the staff member has permission to add new appointments, delete existing appointments, and export appointment data directly from the Appointments panel. Similarly, admins can assign separate permissions for payments, customers, profile, and services based on staff access requirements. Go to the Backend panel. Now, enable all the options under the Payments Permissions section. Next, enable only the View Customer permission in the Customer section. After that, grant all profile permissions, such as managing working hours, special days, and holidays. Also, enable permission to change service prices. After that, click the Save Changes button to apply the permissions. Changes saved successfully. Now, go to the Staff Member panel and reload the page. As you can see, all the assigned menus are now visible here. Now, open the Customers page. This is the Customers page. Here, staff members can view the customer list, but no additional actions are available. Now, open the Payments page. This is the Manage Payments page. Here you can view payment records, edit or delete payments, and export payment data. Now open the Timesheet page. This is the Timesheet page, where staff members can configure their working hours. Enable the Configure Specific Working Hours option. These are the staff member working hours. Currently, Saturday is marked as an off day. Staff members can also manage special days. Select the date, service, and time. You can also add break times, then click the Save button. Staff members can also manage and set holidays from here. Click the Add New button in the Holidays section. Select the date and enter the holiday name. Now, open the My Profile page. This is the staff member profile page, where staff members can update their profile details. Now, open the My Services page. This is the Staff Member Services page, where only the services assigned to the staff member are displayed. Staff members can also change service prices. Click the Edit icon on any service, change the price, and click the Save button. As you can see, the service price has been updated successfully. That's it. This is the Staff Member Compact mode, along with its powerful permission settings.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.